xAI just released a model that might change the AI race for good. Grok 4, launched in July 2025, isn't a simple upgrade. It skipped version 3.5 entirely. Elon Musk is betting big that this model isn't just smarter, it's smarter than you. Musk claims Grok 4 performs at a PhD level across disciplines. And the benchmarks back that up. On humanity's last exam, one of the hardest reasoning tests ever built, 2,500 PhD-level questions across multiple fields, Grok 4 Heavy scored 50.7% with tools. That's twice as high as Google's Gemini Deep Research and significantly ahead of OpenAI's O3. And it doesn't stop there. On RCAGI v2, a test for abstract general intelligence, Grok 4 was the first model ever to break the 10% mark, hitting 15.9%, almost double Claude Opus, its closest rival. What makes this possible? Grok 4's secret weapon is its heavy mode, a multi-agent architecture where multiple versions of the AI tackle a problem in parallel, compare answers, and converge on the best one. Think of it as AI with a built-in debate team. Add to that a massive 256,000 token context window, double what Grok 3 had, and real-time access to X, formerly Twitter, for live data, trending topics, and global events. It's one of the only AIs that can process now, while remembering everything that came before. Developers, listen up, there's a version just for you. Grok 4 code helps write, debug, and optimize across languages, integrating directly with tools like Cursor. Whether it's AI pair programming or large-scale automation, Grok 4 is there to co-pilot. But with great power comes great controversy. Grok 4 has been caught echoing Elon Musk's personal views, especially on hot topics like immigration and geopolitics. In some cases, it literally searched Elon Musk's opinion before generating an answer. That truth-seeking philosophy has drawn fire, with critics warning that the model may amplify bias, not eliminate it. And it's not cheap. Premium plans range from $300 a month to $3,000 a year, making Grok 4 one of the priciest models on the market. Still, xAI's roadmap is ambitious. Coming soon, a low-latency coding model, an upgraded multimodal agent, and full video generation by October. Musk says Grok 7 will also fix its vision blind spots, bringing visual reasoning to the next level. Love it or hate it, Grok 4 is pushing the envelope on AI performance. Top of the charts on humanity's last exam, real-time intelligence, and bold philosophical goals. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a statement. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, reviews, and breakdowns every week. Got questions or something you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and keep exploring the future of AI tech and science.